How to add job board on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a job board and post it in Squarespace. So we are going basically here to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to head over the account dashboard. Once we have did that, we are going to select the website that we want to add the job board for. For example, this one, click on go to website, and we're going basically to have the, let's say here, the website ready. Now what we're going to do is to click on edit, and from here we can add the different sections that we want. So here I do not think that Squarespace have implemented the job boards directly to the specific, let's say here, right there the sections, but you can go ahead and implement it into a form of a blog, for example, or you can go ahead and have it as a post. For example, if you're going to be interested in that, you can go ahead and head over the pages, head over your blog, and then you're going to add maybe the blogs like that. So you can go ahead and put maybe instead of having the blog post, you can go ahead and have a specific cover image for that job, put the resume of the job, description of it, and etc. And then you're going to add maybe something at the end of the blog, which is going to be an email. For example, we're going to see here. Normally we are going to have email. So let's see, email. We're going to have no email, so it doesn't matter a lot. We can go ahead and have a link or a button, and that button is going to be attached to maybe an email. So like that, we're going to have it just right there. So we are going to put the to, subject, and the body, and then we are going to have it the subscribe button. So basically we are going to click on here, put the email, and here we go. That was the first method. Now let's go on to the second method, which is going to be implemented or implementing not a blog, but basically we're going to head over a page and select it, click on edit, and from here we are going to create a new section. So I'm going to add a blank section, and we're going to add a new block. For this block, we're going to either choose code or embed. Click on code. I'm going to put it just like that and enlarge it a little bit. So we have here the whole view. I'm going to increase a little bit of the width. Boom. I'm going to double tap on it, select all the text and delete it. We're going to visit up a website called Elfsite. This website is going to allow you to create some widgets without coding. So we are going to begin with clicking on widgets. And from here, we are going to see the tools. These are going to be the categorization of the elements that have been implemented into this website. So we are going to have from the tools, job board. And here it is. Click on it. And now you're going to see that we have it right there. So we are going to click on create a new widget or widget for free. And as you can see, we have tons, or not tons, but basically we have 6 models. So we are going to choose one of them. As you can see, just like that, like this, or the last one. I'm going to have maybe this one. I click on continue to the with the free one. I'm going to have the jobs. I can go ahead and post the title, company, department, location, salary, and the type of contracts and the application link. So you're going to have the application link if it is going to be posted on Indeed, LinkedIn, or whatever. And then we're going to have the description. So we are going to have, for example, description of it, the title, the company, the department, something like that, location, the salary. For example, I'm going to put here just like that. I'm going to have the sign and etc. For the layout, you can have a grid, a list, masonry, carousel, and etc. You can also customize it for the gaps. The job card could have the showing the salary, company, and etc. It is going to be up to you to choose whatever you are going to choose or show or hide. Appearance. You're going to have the coloration for the color schemes, and finally settings. When you finish it, you're going to add it to the website by publishing it. Click on publish. Now I'm going to select one of the plans that has been implemented. Of course, I'm going to use the free one. Copy. I'm going to copy the code, which is going to be the embedded code only. And we're going to head over Squarespace again, paste that code, and it is going to show up in here. So basically, this is the job board. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.